Hey everyone, welcome back to ITPK. Recently, I made a video about Ublock Origin, and many of you commented that you are getting this error cannot install extension because it uses an unsupported manifest version. This happens because your Google Chrome automatically get updated that doesn't support manifest v2 extensions anymore. And Ublock Origin 167 is still a manifest v2 extension. Now here is the good news. Google Chrome version 142 period 0 period 7444 period 163 released around November 12 and it still supports uBlock Origin 167 versions perfectly. So in today's video, I will show you how to download the correct Chrome version from Uptown website, also install the uBlock 167 Origin, and finally, the most important step is disable Chrome auto updates so everything stays working perfectly for a long time. Before proceeding, make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK, and here is the short disclaimer. Disabling Chrome updates is completely your choice, and doing this may stop Chrome from getting security fixes. I'm only showing what I personally use on my system. Follow this only if you want to. Now let's go step by step and download the latest version of Google Chrome and also the most stable version of uBlock from Gorilla website. Open up any browser in your computer and type download Google Chrome up to down. Then go to up to down website, and here at the top you will see the latest version of Google Chrome here. If you scroll a little down, you will see that get the latest version. Let's click on it. Again, click on the download button and your download will be started shortly. Now let's say if you watch my video late and you didn't got the latest version on the homepage of up down website, just click on older version and here you will get the older version of Google Chrome. You can come here, download the version that will be in this list. This is the November 12, 2025 version which is currently downloading in my computer. If you already have installed any unsupported version into your laptop or computer, just go ahead and uninstall it by going to Control Panel and uninstall programs. Until it's downloading, let's go to Gorhill website, Gorhill GitHub uBlock. On this website, you will see 167, the latest version of uBlock. Just click here, scroll down, and we want to download the Chromium zip of 167 version. Just click on it, and this download will also be started. So here, Google Chrome is downloaded. Let's go to that folder, and we want to install Google Chrome here. Right click on it and click on Open. Yes. Okay, here I got Google Chrome installed in my laptop. Let's go ahead and first stop the services that are updating Chrome automatically. Here we want to go to services. In the services, we want to find the Google Chrome updated services that are here. Now right click on the service, go to properties, and here we want to set it to disable. Apply and then OK. Let's go to Google Updater Internal Services. Right click on it, go to Properties, and here we want to disable this service as well. OK, let's go ahead and disable Google Chrome Elevation Service as well. Go to Properties, select Disable, Apply, and then OK. Now close the services. In the next step, right click on this Google Chrome shortcut. We want to go to properties. In the properties target section, go to the end and press space button on your keyboard. So in this tutorial, let me write it clearly in front of you. Press two dashes, type disable, then again dash, type features, then is equal to, then type extension manifest v2 unsupported, then comma. Now type extension manifest v2 and then disabled. Don't worry about this command. This is mentioned in the video description. Now click apply and then OK. Let's go ahead and open up the Chrome. In here, please type Chrome slash extensions. Make sure you have enabled the developer mode here. Now let's go back and we want to extract this Ublock. Click on extract all. That's fine. I want to extract it in the same download folder. Once extracted completely, again open up the Chrome. Click on load unpacked. Go to download. Here, open up the first folder and select the second one and then click on select. Now you could see here my 167 extension of uBlock is loaded on the latest version of Google Chrome. And we have also stops the auto update. Let's pin this extension in my browser. And for your verification, we could just go ahead and close Google Chrome, open it again. Extension is still there. Also, let's go ahead and verify it by restarting my laptop. Open up the Google Chrome again. Let's open any page like I want to open google.com just for verification. And also let's open one more, yahoo.com. And you could see here my uBlock is working perfectly. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope this helped you understand why uBlock Origin wasn't installing for some users and how to install the correct uBlock version and Google Chrome version so everything stays stable and work continuously smoothly. If this video solves your problem, make sure to like the video, share it so more people can benefit, and if you are new here, subscribe to ITPK for more helpful tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.